In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer in Directive 8020. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down, under File, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the trainer exe and select yes option and close the trainer. We can open after you are in game. Once you are in game, I'll show you guys the default flashlight, and this is the default flashlight. Press the Alt tab and open the trainer. Double click on the trainer exe and select yes option. Now to show you guys it's the trainer is working, I'm gonna max flashlight brightness, turn on the cheats you like to use, and then minimize this and get back to the game. Look at the flashlight maximum power. The trainer is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.